Social 7th Standard Social Science Unit 2 Bahmani Adil Shah. Before we starting this unit, giving some introduction. In the history of Karnataka, Vijayanagara Empire was established in 1336 CE. Later on, 3rd August of 1347 CE, the first Muslim dynasty, Bahmani Empire, came to exist. Lesson to Bahmani Adil Shahs. The Bahmani Adil Shahs is the first Muslim dynasty came to exist in Karnataka, southern India. Southern part of India. Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah was the founder of this empire. Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah was the founder of this empire. Bahman Shah was the working in the army of Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Battles were taking places continuously between the Bahmani Sultans and Vijayanagara kings. Inner conflicts rose in the dynasty, and by 1527 CE, 5 Shah dynasty came into existence. They are divided in 5. First one is Adil Shah of Vijaypur, Barish Shah of Bidar, Qutub Shah of Golconda, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, Imad Shah of Bidar. Bahmani Adil Shah's founder was Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Bahmani kingdom was also established in the northern part of Vijayanagara Empire in 1347 CE. Bahman Shah was working in the army of Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Bahmani Sultanas 1347 CE to 1527 CE. It's near about 200 years, not completed. Bahmani kingdom had the part of present Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana states under the rule. In the beginning, Kalburgi and later Bidar were their capitals. Bahmani Empire was in northern part of the Krishna river and Vijayanagara Empire was in southern part of Krishna. The great sultanas in Bahmani dynasty, Tajuddin Firoz Shah. This map will be showing us of Bahmani Sultan kingdoms. South, north, east, west, 4 sides will be showing in this map. Tajuddin Firoz Shah was the greatest sultan in Bahmani dynasty. Tajuddin Firoz Shah 1397 CE to 1422 CE. He was liberal, judicious and a believer of God. He made copies of Quran and edited it for his whole life. He was a writer, encouraged all languages, and he was an expert in geometry and theology. He is expert in geometry and theology. In his period, so many philosophers, poets, artists, and had honored them. He established an observatory in Daulatabad, right now in Maharashtra. He propagated the beauty of his capital, Kalburgi. He gifted, he built a new city called Firozabad on the bank of Bhima River. He gifted many villages to a Sufi saint, the Khaja Bande Nawaz, who arrived in the kingdom during his period. He concentrated on the development of port, and as a result, foreign trade was encouraged. In his period, foreign trade was encouraged. Import, export. After Tajuddin Firoz Shah, Muhammad Gawan, he was a Persian and worked honestly as a prime minister in the region of Sultanate Muhammad Shah III. All credit of making Bahman dynasty great goes to Muhammad Gawan. He is honest person. Important factors of Muhammad Gawan. Muhammad Gawan captured Hubli, Belagavi, and Goa from Vijayanagara Empire. Administration was according to the Islamic laws. He encouraged revenue and postal services. He fixed tax on the basis of land's fertility and irrigation facility. Tax was collected in cash. It is so important, tax will be levied on the base of the land. He removed some taxes which were annoying the people. As a philosopher himself, Muhammad Gawan founded Madrasa University in Bidar. Astronomy, mathematics, history were being studied here. It encouraged Islamic religion and legal education. Free education for orphans and the poor peoples. Hostel facility also provided. Around 3000 manuscripts were in the library of Madrasa. Muhammad Gawan contributed a lot in making the Bahmani kingdom great. Regional leaders were jealousy of his fame and conspired to have him murdered. In his tomb, written that innocent Gawan was killed. This sentence will be showing us him murdered. Culture and contribution. First one, education. Bahmani sultans encouraged Islamic education. Chanting of Quran was part of the education. Kalburgi, Bidar, Ilchapur and Daulatabad and other were the Islamic educational centers during their region. Poor people and orphans were provided free food and shelters, and scholarships were given to students in madrasa. Quran philosophy and principles of Sufism were taught in the schools. Literature. Literature activities were greatly encouraged by Bahmani sultans, and they sheltered many philosophers, poets, and writers. Firoz Shah Muhammad Shah II and Muhammad Gawan were writers and minister poets. During their region, Persian, Arabic, and Urdu literature were developed. The language that they and other foreigners used became famous as Dakhni. Later, it developed as Urdu language. Sculpture. The history of Bahmani dynasty is famous for sculpture and architecture monuments in Bidar. Kalburgi and other places, Indo-Islamic style. The first contribution of Bahmani is Jamia Masjid of Kalburgi, and Muhammad Shah built it. Who is it built it? This one, Muhammad Shah, is the Jamia Masjid of Kalburgi. The meeting hall with small domes is the major attraction here. The tomb of Bande Nawaz is another prominent monument of Kalburgi. Bidar's Solakamba Mosque and beautiful places in the fort are famous. These buildings are decorated and have curved wooden craft on them. 12 tombs of Ashtur near Bidar are also famous. This is the 12 tombs having in Bidar. It is also famous. The prominent monument of the Bahmani kingdom is Madrasa, which was built by Muhammad Gawan. It is 242 feet wide, 222 feet long, 56 feet height, and 3-story building. The building, which is more than 5 centuries old, appears to be declaring its glory. This is the first part of the Bahmani Sultan. Will shortly started second part. Thank you very much.